Have you ever wondered how to find your own unique style with the clothes you already have? Today we are diving into just that. By the end of the video, you will have the tools you need to define your personal style. So ladies, let's elevate your wardrobe from this to this. But, before getting started, let me tell you there's a surprise for you all in the end, so watch till the end to know it. So, let's get started. Finding your aesthetic starts with creating a mood board. It is a great way to visualize what style resonates with you, like all these people. You can use Pinterest or Instagram to save outfits, colors and vibes that catch your eye. Look for patterns in what you like. Maybe it's minimalist looks or vintage vibes or bold, eclectic fashion. This is the foundation for your fashion journey. Now think about how your lifestyle fits into your aesthetic if you are balancing work, social life with some casual weekends. Your style should be adaptable. The key is to find a balance between what you love and what fits into your daily life. To look fabulous, it's important to understand your body type, whether you are pear-shaped, hourglass, or rectangular or triangle. These are the styles that can highlight your best features. For instance, if you have a pear-shaped body, aligned skirts and fitted tops can create a balanced silhouette. It's all about dressing in a way that makes you feel confident. And for some garnish, add a bit of sass to your outfit. And there you have it. Your guide to find your aesthetic dressing to impress and knowing what will look best on you. But wait! I am thrilled to announce an exciting series I have been working on. Each week I will focus exclusively on a single aesthetic, dedicating my full attention to exploring its nuances and elements. As we progress, the aesthetic will change weekly, allowing for a diverse and in-depth look into various styles. I would love to hear your thoughts. Let me know in the comments which aesthetic you would like to see first. Subscribe.